In this video, let's talk about how to fix Spotify Equalizer not working. So in this situation, the first thing that you can check is if you have installed any sort of external equalizer applications which might be interfering with Spotify's. This may be causing the issue. So in this situation, what you can try out is make sure that you have removed the external equalizer application that you have downloaded from the recent app list. Also, if you have connected your Bluetooth, this also might be causing the issue. So make sure you disable your Bluetooth as well. But however, if this is not the case for you, the next thing that you can try out is just hop out of the application of Spotify and then just reinstall the application. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. The last thing that you can also try out alongside reinstallation is just restart your device. This ensures that any sort of device glitches should also be fixed within your phone. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.